So this is what's going on each day, blah, blah, blah. So what you want to do is take a picture. Come up and take a picture. This notebook will be here. Just open her up, take a picture of each day, so you'll know what's going on, the things that are planned. Right through, Wednesday is really just more of a farewell kind of thing. How did I not know that a year ago? I don't know why I didn't. So that's good. And then at 2 p.m. we're going to do van tours. So if this is just not recorded van tours, unless somebody wants to walk around and record inside each van a little bit if they want. It's okay with you. So basically, it's so that look at all these vans.
Keeping time session.
Yes, indeed. You got to
Everybody's doing tours of everyone's van right now. So I'm just going to take a peek in and see what everybody's got. Just doing a peek. Oh, there's a Berkey in there. We got a map.
And doing the things, and I'm like, are you sure you did that right? I'm just thinking like they have to do something to activate the card, and I'm always thinking, do they not activate it? What if they don't activate it? Oh, 66.
Oh, 66.
G46.
G46.
I'm running out of tunes. Give me a tune.
I-20. I-20.
There you go. G57.
G57.
Or G50,
Wait a minute. G50, yep.
G46,
G46, yep.
G51,
Yep.
G52,
Yep.
G58.
That's it.
Woo! We got a winner.
Would you like Amazon?
Hello,
Hi.
Nancy Key.
Hi, Nancy.
Hi, y'all.
Hi, Nancy.
Welcome. Sit down for some bingo. Don't even want it. I'm like, good thing I didn't buy that.
I know.
Come on,
I missed it.
You won't believe how good this feels.
beautiful.
So I can access all my kitchen gear here. My rice cooker, egg maker, all that jazz right here. And that's just a sticker. And so, yeah, and this is built, I ordered these brackets online. And then this I got from Home Depot online because it was a bigger table that held this one because it's wider.
Oh, but it's got the map on it.
And then I set the cart to my levels that I needed at to put all this stuff. So everything has its own particular spot. So I have, you know, electric, I have induction, I have a butane propane stove, microwave, toaster oven.
Well, that top shelf is what I know.
That will vent it.
I love this.
It's dark.
Do you have a dual zone refrigerator?
Yeah, fridge freezer.
And it does both at the same time?
Yes.
I want to see it. When they're through filming.
It's dark because I keep my
Well, I
windows
wasn't-
black on both sides. So one is basically pantry, and then these, so like I was saying, you can put everything outside. I like it. Sort of like tea and snacks. And then
Everything's so nice.
It's
these,
so organized.
people who have canning jars and stuff. And so I put these sleeves on them so you don't hear them rattle.
Yeah.
/ toilet.
Lovely.
Close
I do have plenty of water in here.
but I do sit on.
Power. I should plug in my TV. I didn't plug it in.
She sits on her ottoman.
There, oh my gosh, that is a TV.
Yeah.
Close down there, I showed you. And then I just have my little table.
It's a 12-volt TV too.
Yeah, I was looking
Yeah,
into
it's a
getting one of
DVD
those.
Player. Yeah.
Medium roof.
And that's a bike rack.
Cap. For 2 bikes, I only have one.
I love your bike.
This is my grandma bike and I love it.
I do, I love it.
So I spilled coffee on my chair this morning.
Ah.
I just washed it and it's drying out.
You said it's a medium roof?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Transit?
Yes.
Okay. All right. What's your name?
I'm Diane.
Diane. Hi, I'm Renee.
Hi, Renee. And I have, it's called Nirvana. And my YouTube is Diane's Nirvana Life.
Oh, lovely.
So, and it's a mess. I haven't cleaned it up and I'm charging things right now.
That's all right.
But come on in.
Oh,
I like to keep my
wow.
spices handy.
Oh, nice.
So,
Now, did you build it all yourself?
I built it all myself.
Ah.
The electrical, I did all the windows and the fan except for this window.
Wow.
Yeah. So I have a 12-volt refrigerator. I'll show you that.
Sign the life she loved.
Come on in. So just charging up a few things. So back here is my potty that pulls out. Maybe someday I'll put a shower in. And then I was repairing and put these on backwards, but that has my food. And then there's my
Oh,
storage.
I love that shelf.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
And then 12-volt refrigerator. And I was just getting ready to put my wee boost up. But I'm full-time, so I have to have about 12 months of goodies here.
Oh.
So this flips back, and I hold it with my bungees. And then this pushes back, and then I can get to my storage on both sides.
Oh, okay.
So, and then, well, there's my part of my jewelry.
Lovely.
Girls gotta have her jewelry. And then these will come off if I need like nuts or something in them.
Right.
And then there's the rest of my jewelry.
Gotta have your jewelry.
I know. And then this comes down, holds my hanging clothes. Kind of crowded.
Oh, awesome.
And then I step up into my bed off of this.
That is lovely. That is lovely. What a great idea.
So thank you. So I'm still building it out, but that's for today.
This is so nice. And you've got some storage up here.
Right. And I'm, like I said, Diane with Diane's Nirvana Life.
Lovely. So I will look for that. Got your
Thank you.
toilet paper holder or your paper towel holder. Fire extinguisher. Lovely little storage hacks you have going on.
Those are IKEA, believe it or
Are
not.
they really?
Yeah.
Wow. Got some. This is great. Great ideas.
So, and then this guy is, will come all the way to the floor. So when it's cold or too hot, I'll put those down because they're like those.
Oh yeah, like the insulated thermal window covers.
And if I just want sheerness, these will come down too. And these are just on a PVC pipe.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let's see if I can get to the end of that. Yeah. Look at this princess.
Got her own limousine.
Oh, that is so cute. It's so cute.
And it holds the wall up.
Tell me your name again.
Lori Green.
Lori. Oh,
Gonna be
right.
at the ones in the spring.
Yes.
Yeah, I am so glad I don't have an accent.
Oh, yeah, right. Not at all. Not at all. We hear nothing.
But you know, now let me ask you a question. Can you sing?
Somebody said she
Yeah,
could.
I do.
I think she has a pretty.
But I
Because
can't- no,
somebody
I have
told
a
me
horrible-
one time that people who don't lose their accent can't sing.
That's not true.
That's not true.
The most people that I have asked said they cannot sing. And it,
she got up. She's, oh.
So this is my Joy.
Hi,
My
Joy.
companion, and she loves
Joy's got her own little doggy bed. And Joy is running off with Joy.
My buddies gave to me 12
Rolls of toilet paper, 11 fans a blowing, 10 vegetables steaming, 9 lights a shining, 8 gallons of water, 7 pairs of underwear, 6 eggs for scrambling, 5-gallon bucket for a potty, 4 window screens, 3 hats for your head, 2 solar panels, and 1 cool camper man.